I am Jayalakshmi. Uh, I had this knee pain for past 3 4 years, and I didn't want to get operated a totally operation. I was afraid of it, and I came to know about this APR hospital through Shankara TV, and also the pamphlets came through the Deccan Herald paper, and it opened on 1st October in Bangalore. Earlier, it was running in Chennai also. So after seeing that advertisement in Shankara TV, I was impressed, and I inquired December 25th, and I was very much pleased to be with Dr. Vidya, and she convinced me that everything will be fine. So without any difficulty, I had this treatment and therapy. So I am feeling better now.